What's going on, YouTube? Yes, Dan, back again with a video for you guys. We got a dope pair of Jordan 6s right now. We got the Air Jordan 6 Aquas on deck. I'm going to give you guys a detailed review on the on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, guys, I want all you guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. All right, we got an Air Jordan 6 Aquas set to release October 7th. I'm going to show you guys real quick how they look and let you guys see them on feet so you guys can decide if you want to pick them up or not. Everyone knows the Aqua 8s is an iconic Jordan, so they basically did a twist and put it on the 6, you know. And I think it looks really nice. There was actually some customs, or if I'm not sure if there was a sample released back in the day. I think it was a sample out there of these. The box is pretty nice. You got the Aqua with the purple on the box. Aqua Jumpman right there. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 6 Retro. The colorway is black, bright Concord Aqua Tone. You got your regular white paper and that is it. And I must say they're really clean. Only problem I'm having about these guys, I just wish we got that suede up on here. I wish they would have gave us the nubuck better. You know, this is that ashy suede. I know a lot of people don't like that, but I must say it does look good on the shoe still. But hey, they didn't give us the nubuck, they gave us that ashy stuff. So starting off, let's start off with the outsole. Take a look. Translucent black with the purple Jumpman, looking very nice. All right, so we got that all suede on the upper. You can see on the midsole we got the purple with the Aqua air bubble unit clear. Going to the front of the toe, still got the suede black laces. Doesn't come with the extra set of laces or anything. Got your lace lock with the purple Jumpman. You got your purple Jumpman right here where the laces go through. And you got your Air Jordan on the tongue. Take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Same as the lateral. All suede on the upper and the black. You got your Aqua color with the purple air bubble unit. You guys can see. As for sizing on these, I do recommend you go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Back of the shoe, give you guys a close-up. You got the stitched in black Jumpman with the air spoiler in the back with the purple stripe. Inside, you got the purple inner sole with the Aqua Jumpman inside. And yeah, man, you guys can see what they look like. I want you guys to hit that thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to be going for these in October. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at DSDan1. All the information will be in the description. Let me know if this is a cop or drop. Hit that thumbs up. It's your boy DSDan. Let's get into this on feet. And I'm gone.